When it comes to buying manager accounting software, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. This software claims to be a solution for small businesses and freelancers, but how does it stack up against the competition? Let's break it down so you can make an informed choice. First off, manager accounting is a simple yet powerful tool for managing your business finances. Its user-friendly interface is easy to navigate, even for those who aren't accounting professionals. However, compared to software like QuickBooks or Xero, it can feel a bit too basic for larger, more complex businesses. Next thing, it's completely free for desktop users. That's right, no subscription fees. However, the catch is that if you want cloud access, you'll need to pay for that separately. When compared to alternatives like Wave, which also offers a free version with cloud access, this might be a downside for those wanting a fully integrated solution. The third thing is its multi-currency support. Manager accounting allows you to handle transactions in multiple currencies, which is great for businesses dealing with international clients. But keep in mind, if your business requires advanced foreign exchange tools, competitors like QuickBooks might offer more comprehensive features in this area. Next thing, manager accounting includes invoicing and billing features. While the system does an adequate job, it's not as customizable as some other options. With software like FreshBooks, you get much more flexibility when it comes to designing invoices and managing clients, which may be a better choice for businesses that need this level of customization. The fifth thing is its inventory management. Manager accounting offers basic inventory tracking, which is suitable for smaller businesses. However, if you need detailed inventory management with automatic reordering, something like TradeGecko would be a better fit. The sixth thing is reporting. Manager accounting provides basic reports like profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow. But for businesses looking for more advanced analytics and customizable reporting, software like Xero provides more in-depth insights that can help with decision making. The seventh thing to consider is its tax management capabilities. Manager accounting does support tax calculations, but it lacks the depth and automation offered by competitors like QuickBooks, which can automatically calculate taxes based on your location and the type of transaction. Next up, security. Manager accounting is a desktop application, which means your data is stored locally. While this can be seen as an advantage for privacy reasons, it lacks the cloud-based backups and security features that software like Zoho Books or QuickBooks provide to protect your data from hardware failure or theft. The ninth thing is scalability. Manager accounting works well for small businesses, but as your company grows, you might find that it lacks features necessary for larger operations. If you expect significant growth, consider options like Xero or QuickBooks, which are built to scale as your business expands. The 10th thing is its support. Manager accounting support is somewhat limited, mainly through email and forms. While it's usually sufficient for basic issues, companies with more complex needs may find themselves wanting a more robust support system, like the 24/7 chat and phone support that QuickBooks offers. Next thing, it's available for multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. However, the mobile app is not as polished as its competitors, and if you need to access your accounts on the go, something like Xero or FreshBooks might offer better mobile experience. The 12th thing is updates and improvements. While manager accounting is regularly updated, it doesn't always receive the same level of new features or enhancements that other platforms like QuickBooks or Xero offer, which are constantly evolving to meet the needs of their users. So, is manager accounting a good choice? It can be a solid option for small businesses or freelancers who need basic accounting features without the price tag. However, if you want a more comprehensive solution that can grow with your business and offer better support, consider our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see if it's the right fit for your needs.